easy to buy, easy to install, and it works very well. Very good coverage in this plan. I am super happy about this eSIM. It's work very well. Plus, the eSIM works super well. Great plus. Used during my trip in Hong Kong. The speed is fast, and I did not experience any data throttling even when I download videos. Make sure not to use too much data in a short period of time to avoid violation of fair usage policy. The eSIM works super well. Easy to install. Good price. This eSIM works very well, easy to install and very fast serving. This is my second purchase. Generally, the internet search speed is good. If the navigation signal is weak indoors, the positioning part may need to be calibrated by itself to be more accurate. Choosing 5G for 5 days is enough. You can use commonly used social software such as Google, Line, IG, etc. without using a VPN. This eSIM working super well plus. It and number 39, S great, the signal reception is very good, the speed is very fast, no lag, and the eSIM is very convenient, no need to pull it out. I will consider it again when I go to Hong Kong and Macau. Of course, the price is also important. You can use the internet quickly, with a variety of options to choose from, very personalized and very convenient. Very useful, very useful, very useful, very useful, very useful, very useful. Will repurchase, will repurchase, will repurchase, will repurchase, will repurchase, will repurchase, will repurchase. The network is super fast, the settings are simple, and it's super fast to get started. It's trustworthy. I highly recommend it. The network is smooth, the customer service will kindly care about the smoothness during the trip, and the after-sales service is great. You can use it when you reach your destination, no need to change cards and no need to jump through other walls. It went smoothly for 3 days of use, no need to climb over the wall, just use it normally. But for a period of time, the signal at Lai Lai Xiaolong in Shanghai was blocked, but the display was full, and it took a while to normalize. I do not know why.